Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 14 May 2022 and today's Viva topic is explain string constant pool in a Java concept. String, that is short means that SCP. SCP stands for string constant pool. In this scenario, we have see what is happen. String constant pool. It is a area. It is a memory where string can store. In this, we have see what is happen. First, we have declared our original string S1. Yes, string employee is equal to double quoted S2. Sum of the in this scenario is this. We have seen string is allocated to a object. It is known as string constant pool. In string constant pool, object allocation is done. And in second, we have declared a new variable in a string, that is string employees 1 is equal to double quoted is this is same as what is address differently stored. In Java programming language, we have created string in two ways. First is by literal keyword and second is using new keyword. We have see first using a literal keyword. Is this the type of creating a string? In this literal keyword string, we have created string using double quote. Now we can see the example of literal keyword. First example is string employees is equal to string employee is equal to double quoted sum. And second, another example is string student is equal to double quoted run. Is this first way of creating a string? Second way, we have creating string using new keyword. In this, we have used to create a new keyword of object to create a string. Is this way we have create a string? In a Java programming language, there are two ways to creating a string. First is a literal keyword and second is using new keyword. In SCP string constant pool, it contains string. In string we have variable is stored as the literal is stored in a string as the literal is stored in a string. And in this scenario, JVM is check the string is empty or not. And second scenario is happen when you have declared a string with an reference. Now this scenario we have seen JVM will check the string is empty or not. And in this scenario, JVM will be send a string reference to heap memory. On this heap memory, it is not original value does not change. It does not compare the memory locations. Whenever we have see JVM checks the firstly string constant pool. This is empty available. Will store there. Otherwise, store the memory on heap memory. The main important role of JVM to check the string. Its string contain literal variable or not. The string is the most important part of Java programming language. In this string, we have seen the string constant pull. What is this in occur whenever our string is contains a variable with a string name. In this scenario, we have seen two types of conditions occur. First is condition is a string is contains variable. String is contain and references of variable. In this scenario, when string contains variable, in the string stored in the stack, string constant pool. And second scenario, string contains variable address of variable. In this scenario, JVM check and it will store the heap memory. Is this I have seen all this about string constant pool and two ways of creating string. First is using literal keyword and second way is using new keyword. In this scenario, literal keyword created string using double quotation and using new keyword you have created object of string and using created a string. Is this two way to creating string. String is immutable. We cannot change original string. We have see string is not changeable. Whenever we can change the string to let's we have perform two methods on a string and this methods operation on string and perform a changeable result. But we have perform operation on original string. Now this time string does not give to a changeable string because string most important part of string is immutable. Where either whenever condition we have to perform any operation on string, this string cannot change because I have said the most important point of string is immutable. So in this I have said all about to string. So thank you guys to watching today's Viva topic.